Hi everyone and welcome back to the old so-and-so. Okay. I was going to take a little time just to relax today, but I don't know what it is, but I just can't sit still. So I decided to clean out my my closet. I know. It's in the master bath. It's a pretty good size. It's this corner over here. I mean, it goes back in here. And I definitely have to go get the vacuum cleaner. I mean, I cleaned this out probably 6 months ago. And when it was cold. And so I don't even know how to describe it, but let me just show you. Okay, so I'm gonna just grab a few of my clothes. And you know I got the flannel. I love flannel. But, so let's say this goes on the hanger, the rod like that. And that means that I wore this one because it goes that way. Alrighty, that one's good. Hold on. Let's see if I can find one. Okay, I think I wore that one. But look, here's one. That one's that way, so that means I had to do that. So that means I did not wear it. There's another one that I did not wear. Yeah. So there were several of them that I haven't worn. So that lets me know that I have not put these clothes on in 6 months. Even we went through cold and now we're into the hot. So that's what I'm doing today. I am going to go get the vacuum cleaner because you'd be surprised how much dust is at the bottom of your closet. So I'm going to go get the vacuum cleaner out of the hall and vacuum. And if it doesn't fit, if I don't like it, it's out of here. There's a church here in town that accepts clothes. And I'm like, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So let me go get that vacuum. Let me get to work. Okay, so I haven't used this one in a while. I don't carry a lot of big purses anymore. But I do like my flannel. I am definitely a flannel person. I don't know. I think this might still work. And there's some that I just don't know if I like anymore. I don't know. And how many coats do you need? How many? I do like this one. This one's very comfortable. And I forget to wear orange during the fall. So I think I'm going to make a pile of the stuff over there because I want to try everything on. And I don't think that'd be boring for you. But I mean, I've got some things that I know I paid good money for, but if it sits in your closet, it doesn't help you. I mean, if you're not going to wear it, send it to somebody else's house where they can use it. And so I think that's what I'm going to do. Sometimes I get tired of things. I know you guys are surprised, but I think the older I get, the more I want it to kind of thinned out. So that brings me to this. If you haven't thought about subscribing to the channel, who knows what this house will look like in December or even January after all that. So if you will, subscribe, hit that bell notification and that thumbs up so you don't miss any videos of what I'm going to do for that day. I feel like I'm stroking. I can't get my words out. Empty. I mean, you know, it's a classic. You gotta have one. And then, I don't know, guys. I like it. Yes. I'm over it. So we're going to make a pile. So let me get busy, and I hope you come back and see how big of a pile I've got. Yes, I have a pile. And look how many hangers I got rid of. I'm amazed. I am going to keep about 12 of them. I'm not going to keep the white ones. But this way, I know I'll find some new clothes maybe this fall. And I'll have hangers that will match the rest. But yeah, I still have more to do. You know. Sheesh. But I got my wire baskets kind of organized. And the rest of this, I know, by color. And all of the hangers are going that way. So that lets me know that they have not been worn. But I think I have enough room at the top to put some of my summer clothes, which, no, I'm very surprised I don't have a lot of summer clothes. But I've got my shoes, I got my suitcase, I have one coat and one sweater, which I even wear that sometimes in the summer. I need to go through the winter socks and the holiday socks. Yes, I've worked myself and I can't find my glasses again. But I will find them. And the next thing I'm going to do, my hair, it is so humid today. I want to get this pile of clothes up, put it in a plastic bag, and take it to that church so it's out. So I have a lot of hangers. A lot. Let's see if I can go find my glasses. Yes, drying clothes, it's one of those things I do all of the time. There they are. Okay. Alrighty. There's one more thing I'd like to clean out before I end this video. And it is this hall closet, which I try, but it's a pretty good size closet. But I know there is so much in here that I don't use. I mean, you know, I need to go through these little pockets. I mean, I need to get my film in and that kind of stuff. I need to figure out, okay, how many aprons does one person need? And when I bought these at a yard sale, I thought they were sticky notes, but they're not. They're just pieces of paper, so they'll be going to the store. And scissors. And you know, if I work on any kind of anything, I have to have the plastic gloves. So, stay tuned. And I need to shred paper. It's just something that you need to kind of stay on top of. All right, so let me get my other mess took care of. Get it cleaned up. And I might have to start the next part of this early in the morning. All right, this is the next day, early in the morning. Todd just left. So I thought this would be a perfect time to get the stuff out while he's working and not have a mess. I know it. So there's just a few more things in this house that I want to go through. And a lot of this I'm doing because I'm off for this whole month, because we're waiting on the new store to be ready. And it's kind of like when you're off from school, you try to see how much stuff that you can get done at home before school starts back. So that's kind of like what I'm doing. Thank goodness I have these things labeled of, you know, what I have in it, what I use a lot. But there are things that I need to kind of go through. Now, guys, this is not promoted or whatever, but I got this one little thing off of Amazon. And it clips onto your iPhone. So that's what it looks like. So if you need extra light, it is a great little gadget. I mean, see, when you're like, if I'm filming, it kind of gives me extra light, which maybe I should use that. Let's see if I can poke that on. Yeah, see? So little gadgets like that. I need to go through things like this. Now, I'm going to tell you something. I got this, and that's the way it did when I filmed. And I know I'm doing something wrong, but I need to figure out either keep it or get rid of it. I don't know. Things, you know, just things like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull things out, clean it up, and then try not to put back as much stuff that is in here. Things like, I need to shred the paper. There's pillows and blankets and cleaning supplies that are shoved back in there that I don't even use. I need to do something with them. Alrighty. So I've allowed myself for about an hour so I can get this video done and get it edited and get it on. So let me get off here, stop chatting, and get busy. An hour. I thought it would take me an hour. It took me about 4. But I did get a lot cleaned out. And I think it does look so much better. The trick is, when we take something out, put it back. Alrighty. I need to put my shred box back in there and a small bin. And I think I've got it all sorted. I even have a little area designated just for my tags. I know. It is something. All right, so I have something else I want to show you before you go. So don't go anywhere. Now, yes, it's all nice and straight. And I am working so hard over here. But then Todd brings stuff home. I know. I'm trying to clear it out, and he's bringing it home. Yes. Let me show you the back deck. I know. Look. Yeah. Can you figure that? Now, this is all Todd's stuff. He's got stuff on the table. He's got stuff here, here. And he even has some in the grocery cart. So, while I'm trying to straighten up, I have to realize it's a process. It's not an easy one, because I know you have to make a mess to clean a mess. So, I'm plugging away. We're waiting on the store to open. I cannot wait. So no worries, I'll keep you updated on that. And I've just about worn myself out, so I gotta get off here so I can get these videos transferred to my computer and get them uploaded on CapCuts and get this edited for later on today. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I so appreciate it. And I'll see you in tomorrow's video.